This lesson you can title as 8.4, which is area of composite figures. And I'm really not going to get to the meat of this lesson until Thursday. However, I want to try to teach you the area of different shapes that aren't all put together, like one at a time, before Thursday. So this is supposed to be review from last year. So we've got area of parallelograms. And you guys could make this EX1 if you want. And so parallelograms include rectangles, squares, a rhombus, that's about it. So here's your formula. Your formula is base times height, and you may have seen it in elementary school as length times, length times width. There we go. But it's the same thing. So if you have a rectangle and you want to find the area of that rectangle, and remember area is the amount of space inside a shape. Let's say we have a length of 8 here and 3 here. To find the area, you have base times height, you just multiply 8 times 3. That's it. So you've got 24. If you had a square, you know that one important fact about a square is that all the side lengths are the same. So if they only give you one side length, like let's say they give you 2, then you assume that all the other side lengths are 2 because you know it's a square. So you've got area equals base times height. So you have 2 times 2. And that would be 4. Let me do one more for you. This one would be, I'm going to have to clear my screen, like a parallelogram that might look like this. And so what they do with this type of parallelogram, they might show you a dotted line to represent the height. Let's say that they give you that height is 4. And your base going across the bottom is 10. Still use formula base times height. So you've got 4 times 10, which is 40. This should be a super easy lesson, but I didn't want to confuse you by trying to put together squares, rectangles, parallelograms, triangles, trapezoids, circles, semicircles all at the same time because I thought that might be a little bit confusing. So all you have to do today are 4 short problems that you multiply base times height because they are rectangles or squares. And then tomorrow we'll do triangles, Wednesday trapezoids, and then Thursday and Friday I actually get to, what 8.4 is for your 7th grade content.